I've received my second package from the Etsy seller that you've seen me unbox previously here on the channel. So I'm super excited about this. Let's get into it. Okay, let me check the contents real quick here, so I'm not giving away anything. Okay, this is what was inside right here. Don't know if I should start with the card first. Oh my goodness. Hi, Heather. Thank you for recoming and giving special experience. Watching someone's happy by me, it also make me happy. You made my day. Thank you again. Oh, that is so sweet. You're welcome. That's very kind of you. And there's a track listing for the CD that I have. And this was really nice, that, they personalized this to me. And it's my pleasure because their work is beautiful. Packing slip here, which I'll get rid of. So this is the Christmas CD that I had ordered, and I was super excited about it because I didn't know that BTS had sung any Christmas songs. And so I've missed all those songs, but here they are right here. And oh my gosh, this is a beautiful image of the Bangtan Boys. Beautiful. I can't wait to listen to this, even though it's not Christmas anymore, but now I'll have it to listen to when the season rolls around. But I'm going to definitely enjoy it now because I haven't heard any of the songs. And oh my goodness, what is this? Oh my gosh. I wish you like this Miracosmos coaster. Hopefully I pronounced the name right because I've listened to the song a few times, but I don't know the pronunciation of the song. This is a coaster. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Wow. I gotta get into this. That is beautiful. There's the sticker. I mean, the little thing there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. I think that's some of the lyrics right there. You got me, I got you, inside those pitch black nights. You gotta forgive me because I'm looking through the camera, trying to read this. So I can't quite make this part out. So and it says, we saw in each other. I don't know if it's spirits. The spirits we saw in each other, I don't know. I'm trying to make that out, but I really can't see that. We're saying the same thing. Starlight that shines brighter in the darkest of nights. So anyways, I gotta really look at that. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, the lights. The lights we saw in each other. Okay. There's like a little piece right here that's coming out right there. So it says the lights we saw in each other. We're saying the same thing. Starlight that shines brighter in the darkest night. Wow. This is beautiful. Thank you for this special gift. That's what it looks like against the yellow, but I actually need something white to put it behind. Maybe this. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's gorgeous. And this is a coaster. I just can't get over that. That's so lovely. Thank you for sending this custom-made coaster. Wow. Okay. And then this one says, hi, Army. Thank you for ordering. Please contact me if you have any questions. It's kind of like the other one. The other thing, like if there's any questions or concerns, you get a hold of them. Their name on Etsy is Your Melody, My Remedy, and you can contact them there at that email. Sorry, it's a little blurry. Anyways, let's flip this over. We got some cards. Oh, all right, let's take a look at this. Beautiful, you know, gifts that were included in here. I mean, that blew me away. I mean, that's just beautiful. All right, let's see what we got here. It looks like J-Hope. Focus camera. There we go. There's Mr. Sunshine. Oh my gosh, they're double-sided. Beautiful picture of Hobie. Oh my gosh, baby picture. Who's this baby? It's Jungkook. Oh, there he is as a baby. He's like maybe 2 or 3 years old there. How cute. No, another baby picture. Who's this? I've missed these. Kim Tae-young. Oh. Another baby picture. And it's of Jimin. Oh my goodness. Look at that cute baby boy. Let's see, wrong one. Wrong guy. This is that J-Hope? Oh, look how adorable he was as a baby. Oh my gosh, he's just a toddler there. J-Hope. Okay, who is this one? Is this Jin? No. That is Yoongi. And who's this baby? Jin. And this must be RM. Oh my goodness, he's got Mickey Mouse on. And no, I don't think that's RM. If it is, I can't see very good. I got my glasses on, but anyways, they're wearing Mickey Mouse right there too. Oh my goodness. There we go. So I've got Hobie here, JK, Taeyang, Jimin, Hobie, Yoongi, Jin. This has to be RM. Just looks different. Looks like one of the other guys. Sweet baby story. Oh my goodness, that's just so cute. So adorable. So I love this. Thank you for the PCs. These were extras, as well as this beautiful coaster. And the Holiday Christmas CD by BTS. This was amazing. Thank you for sending this to me. And it came really quickly. I really appreciate that. And this seller has some amazing custom mades goods. So please check out their channel. Check out their Etsy page. And thanks for tuning into this.